Let's understand this. Room placement budget. The total room budget varies depending on your house level. These dots tell you where you can add rooms. So here, I'm adding a room. Notice how certain rooms aren't available. Same thing happens here. Notice a lot of the rooms are now grayed out. Now for the customize mode. Clicking this button takes you to the room you are in. If you click your room wall, a customized wall panel shows up. You have the option to apply this to all the walls using this button. You can customize the ceiling, you can customize the floor, you can customize the doorway, and you can customize the stairs. The only way to create an additional floor is by adding a stairwell to the room. There are only 3 choices of stairwells: left, right, and empty. So here is our room, and we will add a stairwell to the right. Notice how the floor shows a second floor. Let's see what that looks like. This is the second floor created by the stairwell. Let's go back to our first floor and add a stairwell on the other side. It looks like we can add rooms on each side of each stairwell. Let's connect them by using a hallway. Let's see what that looks like. So here, I'm just showing you how creating stairwells increase the number of floors in your house. To add another stairwell, click the middle of the stairwell by its name, and an option to add a stairwell will pop. Now let's talk about the empty stairwell. At first glance, the empty stairwell looks useless. It's a medium-sized room with a very high ceiling and nothing else. But let's add a stairwell beside it. Let's see what happens. Do you see the opening up there? An opening was created. Back to our floor plan. Let's create another stairwell to the left. This is what the second floor looks like. We now have openings on both sides. If we wanted to connect both openings, creating a hallway will no longer be an option. It's time to be creative. We could create a whole new floor up here, or a spiral staircase from below, or a simple bridge, like this one. Let me show you. Here, I want to add a circle room, but the circle rooms are not available. So I will add a closet first, and see, now the circle rooms are available. Remember that circle rooms will require a tricky distance from other rooms. The circle room can be one more room to decorate. It can also be a space to create a specialized house, inventing your own roof, floor, and walls. If you're feeling highly creative, this might be the way to go. Before I go, I want to show you this. I will not explain anything, but I will just hope it inspires you. but the circle rooms are not available. Here, I want to... Here...